Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hanging around. And if you are not new here, I am so glad that you're back with me and doing this sort of, I don't know, weird plan with me. Unfortunately, I did film this and I was so ready and it was perfect and I loved how the plan with me turned out. And then when I imported it, it was corrupted. So I had two options. I could leave it and just not show it, or I figured I would do something a little different and walk you through the spread and kind of talk about what I did in that day, what sticker I'm using, just so you still have an idea, or you can get some ideas if you're using the spread in the future, and just to showcase the shops that I used in the spread, as well as Peach Pom itself, who made the kit. So I figured that would be a good option. I didn't want to leave you hanging on a Saturday evening because I know quite a few of you guys like my plan with me's and like when I upload on time, and I hate missing days, and uploading on time and consistently is really important to me. So I figured let's just do it and let's see how you like it. It's very rare that they upload with an issue. I think I've only had one other time where it didn't upload properly and I wasn't able to edit it. So hopefully this is the last time, and yeah, let's just kind of jump in. So this kit itself is from Peach Pom. It is a beautiful beachy summer kit. When I saw it, I had to have it, and I'm so glad that I grabbed it. It is absolutely stunning, and I love how this turned out. I really kind of like that I'm kicking off summer with a more beachy theme. We are opening up here, which is really exciting. We're about to start into our next phase of opening, which opens up bigger spaces, theme parks, and I'm very excited because all of our cases are going down, and I feel like the light at the end of the tunnel is coming closer. So I love this kit. The colors are beautiful. It does have gold foil, and I don't know if you've been noticing for a long time, if you've been a long time follower on my Instagram, I very much favored rose gold kits. But I will have to say, in the last couple months, I'm gravitating towards more of the gold. I love rose gold. It is probably one of my favorite metals, but in a kit, it is just, there's something about it. It is so incredibly stunning. So this kit in and of itself is no different. It is beautiful and it is stunning. So I'll make my way across, I guess, the week, and I can talk about some exciting news that I have coming up, and yeah, all of that fun stuff. So I'll start up here. So this is definitely a very Rachel from Gathered Plans inspired heading over here. I do have the June abbreviated scripts from Sadie Stickers, which I've used here. They are in an upcoming haul that is coming out on Tuesday. So if you're seeing this after a couple days later after I posted this, then my haul will be out, and that's very exciting. I also have a honey inked, it's a honey inked kind of seashell-y mandala, which is beautiful, and that is from Rachel Plans Gathered Plans freebie, and there's some really, really pretty little summery pieces on there. So if you grabbed one of her freebies, you'll know which one, then you will have those as well. So I kind of decorated with some extra little seashells, and then I kind of carried it on along here with the beautiful little seashell and kind of string like, I guess, divider is the word I'm looking for. This also as well is from the same freebie, the Honey Ink. So those freebies go a really long way. And so thank you, Honey Inked and Rachel, for making really, really beautiful, bountiful freebies. I think they're really fun. It's a really nice way to test the shop. I do gravitate towards some of her freebies quite frequently. So whenever I order, I always order a whole bunch of extra ones because I love them. I have a couple of favorites. And it's just a really nice kind of all-encompassing freebie, which is beautiful. Over here, I'm using the Dash of Sun dividers. If you are a watcher for a while or a subscriber, then you'll know that I use these on every spread. I love how they break up the date covers and the headers. They add a little bit of extra something and some bling. So I love it. It's cute. And then I've also kind of paired these with the Pretty Pinko date dots as well. The little bow date dots are really great. I believe 3 sets come on a whole sheet, which is awesome. So I really like them. And then moving down here, we have my hydrate and my vitamin stickers from Simply Beautiful Plans. If you are new here, or you are, I guess, returning, I also have a code for you for Simply Beautiful Plans. It is Alyssa, and that gets you 15% off your entire order. As always, all of my PR codes are down in the description box below, and as I go through, I update as well. So as I join teams or leave teams, or my time. I don't really leave teams whenever my time with them is up, because a lot of teams like to refresh, which is amazing. I kind of will update them as videos go on. So if this is the most up-to-date video that you're watching, then it is the most up-to-date list. So I absolutely love Amy. Her stuff is so wonderful, and I've had these for a while and I really use them. I bought a whole bunch of them when she released them, I think around that time, and I just keep buying them. So they're really, really great. I used some more of those really pretty little seashell pieces here, and that's kind of it. That is my sidebar. So on Monday I worked, and for the stickers I used florals from Christine's Paper Studio, and then also from her shop I used one of her icons on premium matte paper in gold. My little work script is from Planning Roses. I'm actually coming down to the bottom of my page, and they've lasted me so long. I love them. The squiggle as well is from Christine's shop too. And then these cute little florals and stars, which you'll see kind of throughout the whole thing, is from Honey Inked as well, from I believe that same freebie or one other, because I think go between 6 and 7. Rachel's freebie 6 and 7 I really, really like. So yeah. I also did a Longos run that day. So Monday was a pretty easy day. I worked a 9 to 5, which was nice. Sometimes I'm 9 to 3, sometimes I'm 9 to 5. So I had a full day, and which was a lot because I did work the weekend prior. Was it that weekend? No, the weekend prior I was off. So no, that was a nice little break day. And then after that, I did a quick Longos run to grab some groceries. And then that evening I edited a video, and that would have been my haul video that went up. And then here I have another icon from Christine's. So is the laundry icon as well. And the florals here are from Honey Inked, which is super cute. I used my edit video script because I did edit that video from Simply Beautiful Plans. And these really cute little hanging guides here are from Giving Girl. So I do have some codes for you there. Christine's Paper Studio, so where I got these icons, the florals here, and the divider. That code is Alyssa30 for 30% off your entire order, and her shop is opening up soon again, and I'm very excited for you guys. She's got some really pretty things coming and some very cool things, especially if you like her icons. So follow her if you get a chance and stay tuned. And then for Giving Girl, I also am an affiliate with Giving Girl, and my code is Alyssa10, and that gets you 10% off your entire order, which is amazing. And I have quite a few little pieces from Giving Girl in here as well, but I really like these little string drops. They're so pretty, and I love kind of just adding them to just brighten things up a bit. All right, so I also did some laundry that day. So I used a little tiny Honey Inked mandala. I love her mandalas. I have big ones and small ones, and they do really, really well. So that is my Monday. On Tuesday, I did schoolwork. So Tuesdays and Wednesdays are my always days off, and then alternating Thursdays and Fridays, depending on my weekends, I get off as well. So I did school stuff. I used an icon from Pretty Pink Co. And then these little pieces here are from Honey Inked. Again, these little tiny, all these little embellishments like the stars, the hearts, and the flowers, those little ones are all from Honey Inked, so I won't like repeat myself. And then the school work sticker is from Simply Beautiful Plans. Amy sometimes opens up customizations, and you can customize your script, and you can pick your font, and you can kind of do what you need to do with scripts. So I always order a whole bunch of them because they are so great, and she does such an amazing job with them, and I use them constantly, and these are very specific. So like schoolwork I have ones for placement, I had ones for walking the dogs, I have a bunch of different ones. So it's very fun. So I really, really like them. So I did some schoolwork, put in some assignments, some little small minute things, like last minute things for school. And yeah. All right. After that, I filmed. So that is my White Deer Stationery icon. And they're really great. If you haven't checked her out, her icons are great. If you're Canadian, she is a Canadian shop, and she hand draws her stuff. It's really, really pretty, and I love all of her little goodies. And so I have a couple of icons here, my mask and my bedding over here, all from White Deer as well. And sometimes when she releases, she'll give a 20% off coupon with it, which is awesome. My film script is another custom from Amy. And then I have this little divider again from Honey Inked. So is this mandala as well. So I've got some more Giving Girls here just to kind of highlight that I washed my mask that day. And then I also washed our bedding. And then this little heart here is also from Giving Girl. Super, super cute. Up here on Wednesday, it was a day off, a literal day off, except I did some school stuff in the evening, but mostly I was off that day. My day off sticker is from Letters to Apollo, and her stuff is so cute. If you hadn't had a chance, make sure you check her out. I do have a code for you. It is Alyssa10 for 10% off your entire order. The florals here are from Christine's Paper Studio, and this little box with the bow is from Miss and Meow. And then we have some more drops from The Giving Girl. Again, I edited my video for this one, which would have been Saturday's plan with me. And I used this little character from Paper Bits, and I do have a code for you for Paper Bits as well. It is Alyssa15 for 15% off your entire order. As you can see, I love her characters, and if you've watched previous videos, you know I use her stuff constantly, and her stuff is so great. She's also another Canadian shop. This divider over here is from Honey Inked, and then I also went to Kensington Market that day as well. So we try to go every week or every other week, and we run down, we support some small local businesses, we get our groceries from there, and it's a nice day because it's a day out that we take Theo, and it'll be +1 soon, but I'm very excited for that. But it's kind of just a little nice little outing. These little florals here are also from Christine's Paper Studio, and this icon is from White Deer. And then I did some school tests. This little thick divider is from Bloom Paper Studio. And then this little icon is from Christine's as well. I just did a couple of school quizzes and tests that day. So it was a bit of a busy off day, but it was kind of nice. All right, so on Thursday I worked. Icon here is from Christine's Paper Studio, along with these florals and this floral as well. And the little embellishments are also again from Honey Inked. I worked that day. It was a baby shift. It was a 1 to 5 shift. I also had spelling bees. For my placement, was with a retirement home, and they asked me to come on as a volunteer. So I stayed on as volunteer for them, and I just run one program on a Thursday morning, usually before work. Sometimes I work 9 to 5 on that day, so I just kind of don't volunteer that day, but I like to stay on with them. They were really wonderful to me, and I kind of like to give back. So yeah, and then that little guy is from Paper Bits. And I scheduled my videos that night, and that was scheduling videos for the plan with me that went up, and then also my videos for the plan with me that went up on Saturday as well. This little guy here, this little scallop is from Panda Bird Design. And then this guy here is from Dash of Sun Designs. The little laptop is from Harriet Wright. And the scheduled videos again is from Amy Shop as well. All right, on to Friday. It's kind of like a short version of a plan with me, but not really a plan with me. I'm sorry, but I'm super excited to get my next one up as well. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it should be fine next time. It's a fluke when it happens, but it really, really sucks. So yeah, Friday, I ran to Winners. Stores open this Friday. So this Friday here is when stores open. I got up early, I stood in line at Winners, and I got what I needed. I was very excited. We were also prepping for the possibility of getting a puppy. So I wanted to see what they had there, if there was anything that I really needed. There really wasn't. I picked up a couple of shirts and a pair of earrings, and that was really it. So it wasn't too much that I grabbed. This little icon here is from the kit itself, and this little squiggle under is from My Spoiled Planner. And then this thick divider again is from Bloom Paper Studio. I also did my white, so my white jeans and my white shorts I did that day as well. So a little bit of laundry, and that is from Paper Bits too. And then I also had sushi dinner. So every Friday we support a local business here, and we get takeout. So that night I actually had sushi, and it was really, really good. And to mark that, I used florals from Christine's Paper Studio. And then I also have a mandala from Honey Inked and some little embellishments here. And then this little circular floral thing with the polka dots is from Planning Like a Pro. And then I used my Letters to Apollo Day Off sticker. So yeah, that is what I did on Friday. And then on Saturday, I worked. So this was my weekend on. This beautiful fancy bow string string box is from The Giving Girl. The embellishments all around here are from in here as well. Honey Inked. The floral is from Christine's Paper Studio. Again, my script from Planning Roses. These little paws are from The Giving Girl as well. And that is the night that we were told that we got accepted, and we are getting Natty, and Natty is our new puppy, which if you're watching this on the day that it comes out, I already have her. I get her Saturday morning, which what I'm filming is tomorrow. I'm incredibly excited, and we're very excited. So I had a very busy week. The week after this is going to be a lot of puppy prepping and like run to the store and run and pick up this and this. So I'm very excited. So we actually went through a fairly lengthy interview process. They interviewed us. They interviewed a couple of our friends who are references. They even talked to our vet. They did a really good, thorough kind of work through of who we are. And we found out that night that we got accepted and that she is ours. And I'm not gonna lie, I cried. I was very excited. So it was a good news kind of day. That evening, my video went live, my plan with me, and these pretty little string lights, again, are from the Giving Girl, which is really lovely. And then the little paws, again, I actually did a PetSmart order for her harness and her collar because they're from Beaver Canoe and they came from PetSmart. So it was a kind of a pickup thing. And then, yeah, so that was my Saturday. I was very excited for that. Trying to think if I have any more coupon codes or PR codes for you. So, oh, by the way, these are from the Pretty Pinko. I think I mentioned them a few times already. And my code for her is Alyssa15 for 15% off your entire order, plus my freebie. I believe most of the shops that I PR for, you also get my freebie if you mention me when you use my code. And then Dash of Sun Designs is Alyssa10 for 10% off your entire order as well. We got quite a few down there to pick from, so definitely take a look and see what you love. And yeah, and then Sunday I worked. I pretty much just worked and came home and I chilled. All my florals are from Christine's Paper Studio. My little hanging fancy box is from the Giving Girl. And again, that work script is from Planning Roses. And this little tiny floral here is from Honey Inked. And that's kind of it. It's a pretty simple week. I am so sorry I couldn't plan with you this time. But I did want to give these shops some love and really show you how beautiful this kit can turn out. If you have it, let me know down in the comments below. And let me know when you're going to use it. And I can't wait to see what you do with it too. Again, check out all of these shops mentioned. And if you get a chance to grab this kit, I highly recommend it. It is awesome. So yeah, that is it. That is my little week. Sorry it's not a full plan with me, but next week I will be back with a regular plan with me. Fingers crossed. It should be fine. Again, it rarely happens, but it's happened one time before, but that was months and months ago. So fingers crossed that all is good now. And I will be back on Tuesday with a haul that is already finished. I'm going to sit down and edit it as soon as I edit this one and get it ready to go. So I will see you on Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hanging out with me, and I will see you very soon. Have a really good one. Stay safe. Bye.